Hello everyone, welcome to Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. I'm going to solve another problem of the Codeforces. This is the very simple question, and in this question you have to find the co-prime numbers, co-prime pairs. You need to find three numbers A, B, C such that the pair AB, BC are co-prime and pair AC is not co-prime. And here you have to know the co-prime number. A pair of number AB is called the co-prime if the maximum number that both divides A and B is equal to 1. Means A and B को जो divide कर रहा है उसका maximum number 1 होना चाहिए. Simply this is the question. Let's go. Simply how can you think about it? The initial approach is that you just simply take two values 2 and 3. These are co-prime or not? These are co-prime. Why? Because the common number that divides them is only 1. Simply if you take 5 and 6, these are only 1 co-prime. Both the numbers are also co-prime number. And if you take 7, 8, like if you take the plus 1 number of an A number, if you have A number, then if you take A plus 1, then both the numbers are always co-prime numbers. It's A plus 1, both are always co-prime. By simple observation you can say like this, because if you take 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, like 18, 19, simply whatever the number you can think, A and A plus 1 both are always co-prime numbers. Now what about the C? These are like we can understand that right now that A, if we take the number A, then A plus 1 is co-prime. And what the question is asking, A, B and B, C are co-prime. Now we already found the one pair A. This is our A, this is our A, and this is our B. And now how can we find C? Simply if A and B are co-prime, as we observed before, like we can simply again say that if A plus 1, then the next number A plus 1 is also a co-prime number, because A and A plus 1 are co-prime, then A plus 1 plus 1. But if you say A and A plus 1 are co-prime, this is not always true. Not always. And from this you can, one thing also observe is that if we are just simply even, odd, if A is even, then if you add plus 1, then it becomes odd, then again even. The observation is saying same thing. If you take A is odd, then this will become even, then again odd. Now what you can say, we simply take this case and write down our code. And we have to choose our A, B, C in the range of L to R. And one thing also, the sorry, L and R is in the range of 10 to the power 18. Then you have to choose the int, long int. Your variable should be in the range of long int, right? Now first we check, we are taking this test case. Simply we can do with this test case. Right? Now first simply we can say if L is even, we have to take L. These values are given. in input. So L mod 2 is equal to 0, means even. Then we can simply write L plus 1, L plus 2, L plus 3, and if you have R, L mod 2 is equal to 1, means odd. Then you simply write L plus 1, means you have to first make it even, then L plus, this is equal to L plus 2, then L plus 3. No, I'm doing wrong. If this is possible, then first element is L plus 1, and second L plus 2, and third is L plus 3. And in this case, your answer is L plus 1, L plus 2. But another one condition you should also mention here is that your L minus wait a moment, L plus 2 should be less than or equal to R. Why I write this equation? Tell me. Like in the first test case, you have to write this one, because if this is the edge case condition. If L plus 2 means, if you are means L and R, in between there are always 3 elements. If this is not, if there is only 2 elements, then you should return -1. You should return -1. Return -1. But L plus 2, and in this case you have to write L plus 2 plus 1, because we are taking with L plus 1, this one, right? Now let's go to the code. Simply, this is very simple question. Like L plus 2, L mod 2 is equal to 0, then another condition is L plus 2 should be less than or equal to R, because there should be 3 elements present. See out L plus 1, L plus 2, and the another else if condition this, and see out -1, let's return 0. This is very simple question. I hope all of you are understand.